Tesoro Club, also known as the crown jewel of the Treasure Coast, is one of the premier country clubs in the area. Located in southern Port St. Lucie, Tesoro Club is just a stone's throw from Palm City and Stewart. With untouched wetlands, an interest in the preservation of wildlife, luxury gardens, and rolling greens of 2 championship golf courses, Tesoro delivers a stunning landscape. A lavish lifestyle is apparent at Tesoro with the 100,000 square foot clubhouse. The top 2 floors are being occupied by the prestigious Crane Club event venue. Adjacent to a 12-acre lake, this 3-story Mediterranean-style club is undergoing a full-scale renovation. With completion estimated for mid-February of 2023, the Crane Club will feature the finest ballroom and bridal suite in Florida, according to the CEO of Lessing Hospitality Group. Club members will experience Lakeside Dining, Salon Spa services, a state-of-the-art fitness studio, men's and women's lounges, and an abundance of activities at the main clubhouse. Residents and members stay active at the Swim and Racket Club with a tropical swimming pool, 9 tennis courts, 11 new pickleball courts, 2 bocce lawns, and a casual dining venue for poolside cocktails and casual fare. Tesoro's 2 golf courses are undergoing renovations. The Arnold Palmer course will be opening later this year, and the Tom Watson course is expected to open in 2024. The neighborhood of Tesoro has existing homes built in the early 2000s in addition to a wide range of home sites available for new custom homes. Every home site in the community borders a lake, a wetland, or a golf course. Toll Brothers is in the process of constructing a model home, and Lennar Homes is now selling. 2 more custom builders will be selling in Tesoro, and their names will be released soon. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay tuned for our videos featuring the builders in this community and to learn more about other prestigious communities along the Treasure Coast and Space Coast.